In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok with the recent updates. A lot of things have changed in 2024. Let's dive into the app and let me show you certain items that you probably didn't pay attention to. So first thing, I want to say that you don't need to have a specific skill in 2024 to be able to make it. I see that there is a new trend on TikTok. Now people are simply sharing their experience. So essentially, you can just start a brand new page in which you will share your experience on the daily life encounters. For example, I had lunch there, I had breakfast there, I joined this course, I did this program, I signed up for this group of people, I started running, I start experimenting this. So all we gotta do for you, this is a brand new trend. I've seen 3 or 4 different accounts in which are simply bombarding. This is how Alex Hermosi started. If you go all the way up to the top and you see his most popular videos are the one who actually were from the beginning. If you click popular, right, look at his videos. These are videos that are very old. Just look at how he looks like, right? So these are the videos that he was talking from his own personal experience, how he encounter business obstacles in personal life, how he actually deal with them. So sharing personal experience, it's obviously one of the biggest trends. And do you see how far he went? He was having maybe 40,000-50,000 followers when I watched this video, and this video was like live, was like just published, just imagine. And fast forward, we are 1.5 years after that, he's already seeing almost 800,000 followers. And it's not only him. Just think about what Andrew Tate did, right? He was sharing personal experience. He was sharing experience about traveling with a commercial plane. He was sharing experience about being here, being there. What is it like to become a professional kickbox champion? What was the experience being in Big Brother, right? So all these personal experiences are much more valuable. Personal experience, I believe, are the one that actually replaced the paid courses for doing this or doing that. Now people sharing their life expectancy, right? They're saying that, I tried these businesses and I failed. I was this, I was that, and this is what actually made me stronger. And people got hyped, people got motivated. And this is my advice for you guys. If you really stumble upon and you cannot find any particular skill, you don't have some nice, interesting, job at the moment, you don't have a business that you're working on, you don't have some crazy, hobby or, stories to tell, just be open and share your experience. People value much more experience at this point, because experience, it's essentially the lessons that you have learned based on the real life, right? This is no science fiction. So go ahead and start publishing on the daily basis. My advice is 1 to 3 pieces of content, and just be honest. People will appreciate that. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.